that loud Sanji
Weather
volume.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Eastern Bay until 6:45 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Thomas Point Light, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by subtly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Romancoke, Thomas Point Light, Highland Beach, Eastern Bay, Mayo, and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh. Ah. Oof, I feel bad. Alright, so should be set up now. Everything's working on my computer right now. They're working just fine. Holly, phone up with me on the phone.